I'm the founder of Green Guardians, and today I will start a series of videos to share with you some advice about the best technique about coral restoration. Many coral restoration projects use this kind of plastic clamps to tie the coral fragment on the artificial structure. So I would like to show you the other technique to really stop to use any more plastic. It's really important if you really want to protect more the ocean. So to stop to use any more plastic and this kind of plastic clamps, we will use the natural cotton rope. It's a teeny rope and it's really useful and really efficient to attach and to tie the coral fragment to the structure. So now I will show you how to do. The knot. One thing important, it's one part of the rope in one way and the other part in the other way. Tie and finish with double knock. So now we will tie the coral fragment to this structure with the cotton rope and with the special knock. And everything okay. Hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget, we use too much plastic everywhere. We found plastic a lot in the ocean. So we have the responsibility to use more sustainable and more ecological method to restore coral. This one with the cotton rope is one of the methods. This is the first video of one series dedicated to the sustainable coral restoration technique. So if you have any comment, any question, please contact us and we can explain you everything and give you all the advice we can give you. Thank you very much and see you soon.